As the summer season ends in Ladakh, we want to start a series of posts to thank all the organizations, corporates that have helped us create this new alternative university on this desert, the Himalayan Institute of Alternatives Ladakh, which could be the world's first makers and doers university where research and development is done to make life better in these cold mountains. We want to thank WAAREE Energies Limited, who have helped us with this solar photovoltaic car shed, which acts as a parking lot and also will charge our electric vehicles. WAAREE has also helped us with this agrovoltaic greenhouse of 5 kilowatts, where the bottom half produces plants and vegetables and fodders for animals, and the top half produces electricity. Thank you, WAAREE. We are very grateful for being a part of our journey.